video on a 2013 Chev Equinox. This one's an all-wheel drive LT. I believe it is a 2.4 liter. Look there. Yeah, 2.4 Ecotech. Just doing an oil leak. Customer came in, said that it was leaking oil real bad, and I just happened to come under here. And this one seems to be the rear main seal on it, because I'm getting oil in between the transmission and the engine. If you look right, where is it? Right there. That's where a lot of the oil's coming from. So I'm gonna guess it's a main seal. I'm gonna pull the transmission on this, and I'll make an update video on it in a couple days, and we'll see how everything goes. Let you know how that it was the main seal or not. But yeah, that's an oil leak on a 2013 Chev Equinox. Be safe, jack stands, wheel chocks, safety first. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.